Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, in this video on the top 5 image and video processing AI tools. Image and video processing AI tools are a set of technologies that use artificial intelligence algorithms to analyze and process images and videos. These tools can be used for various applications such as image classification, object detection, image segmentation, face recognition, video compression, motion analysis, and more. These tools offer a range of functions and capabilities, and the best choice depends on the specific needs and requirements of the project. In this video, we'll be taking a look at some of the most popular and advanced AI tools for processing images and videos.
Tool number 1, TensorFlow. Our first tool is TensorFlow, a popular open-source library for machine learning and deep learning. TensorFlow is used for image classification, object detection, and image segmentation. It's particularly useful for large-scale image processing projects, such as autonomous vehicles, medical imaging, and satellite imagery. Use case and example. One example of TensorFlow being used for image processing is in the development of self-driving cars. TensorFlow is used to process images from cameras mounted on the car, detect objects in the road, and make decisions based on the data. Tool number 2, OpenCV. Next up, we have OpenCV, an open-source computer vision library. OpenCV is widely used for image and video processing tasks such as face detection, object tracking, and motion analysis. It's known for its ability to process large amounts of data quickly and efficiently. Use case and example. One example of OpenCV being used for video processing is in the creation of sports highlights. OpenCV is used to detect player movements and highlight important moments in real time, making it easier for editors to create a compelling recap of the game. Tool number 3, PyTorch. PyTorch is another open-source machine learning library that is growing in popularity for image and video processing. PyTorch is particularly well-suited for tasks such as image classification and object detection, as it has a simple and intuitive API. Use case and example. One example of PyTorch being used for image processing is in the development of augmented reality applications. PyTorch is used to process images from a camera in real time and add virtual elements to the scene, creating a more immersive experience for the user. Tool number 4, MATLAB. MATLAB is a proprietary software for technical computing, with a focus on image and video processing. MATLAB offers a wide range of tools and functions for image and video processing, making it a popular choice among engineers and researchers. Use case and example. One example of MATLAB being used for image processing is in the analysis of satellite imagery. MATLAB is used to process images from satellites, extract information about the Earth's surface, and analyze changes over time. Tool number 5, NVIDIA DeepStream. Finally, we have NVIDIA DeepStream, a software platform for real-time video and image processing. NVIDIA DeepStream is designed for use on GPUs, making it highly efficient for tasks such as object detection, image classification, and video analytics. Use case and example. One example of NVIDIA DeepStream being used for video processing is in the development of smart city systems. NVIDIA DeepStream is used to process images and videos from cameras located throughout a city, detect and track objects, and generate insights about traffic patterns and other important metrics.
That concludes our list of the top 5 image and video processing AI tools. Each of these tools has its own strengths and weaknesses, and the best choice will depend on the specific needs of your project. Thank you for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this one.